Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I bought a wig on AliExpress. I will caution you that no one really knows how the tariffs work. Some people are saying it's caught in your cost. Other people are saying you pay the postman. Other people are saying at the end of the year, you could get a bill. And I am being cautious because if that bill comes, I don't want to pay it. Isn't this a cute wig? So anything I don't want to pay twice, and that's the other thing, the amount keeps changing. Anything you don't want to pay twice the amount on, don't buy from Temu or Shein or any of them. Just sit tight and let the dust settle. That's what I'm doing. There's a few things I really wanted, like this wig. This is actually for Coco. This is the body. Shoot. I want to make a wig too that, let's see, not really good at wigs. I'm not really keen on wigs. There we go. Let's see how this looks on my Coco girl.
That's cute.
It is cute. I was hoping that's how it looked. Where did I set that brush? Oh, here it is. Oh, that is cute. That's very, very cute. Is there a part there or just no? Just kind of goes, boy, that's cute. That's real cute. I like it. I paid, oh gosh, what did I pay? They're not $7 anymore, but this one wasn't much more than that. So if I got charged double, I'd be okay with this one. Isn't she adorable anyway? I really like this doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Be careful out there with your money. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
That's perfect.
It is cute.